Dear student, class 12th, subject chemistry, chapter first solid state. At previous video, dear student, we have learned the characteristic of solid, type of solid, unit cell, lattice point, and coordination number. After that, today's that video, we are going to study the packing in solid. Packing means how to constituent element or a substance arrange in a system and form a stability. So, dear student, we are going to study the packing in solid. Every system of universe is tending toward stability. Hence, crystal formation take place for stability. Constituents of a crystal get packed in such a way that its density and stability must be maximum. The constituent particle of crystal differ in size, thus their packing also differ according to their geometry in solid. This packing is of two type. Dear student, we have learned different characteristic of solid. So, how the unit cell arranged in such a manner to maintain high density and stability on the universe. So, arrangement or packing of constituents unit of solid to form or maintain the density and stability on the universe is called packing in solid. Means how two unit cell are packed to each other and form a fixed geometrical structure and stable structure of a solid. First, dear student, we are going to study the two-dimensional close packing. After that, three-dimensional close packing. Dear student, so we are going to study the packing of two-dimensional close packing. Packing of constituent of a crystal in a plane is called two-dimensional packing. First, if packing is performed in two dimensional, means a plane that is known as the two dimensional packing. The constituent particle are supposed to be spherical. Two dimensional packing may be of two types. First, square close packing. Second, hexagonal close packing. Square close packing. In this type of packing, sphere of one lines are just one over another. This type of packing has coordination number 4. So, dear student, see this center constituent matter means unit cell have cover 4 center of adjacent molecules of that solid. So, its cover coordinate it's coordinate with the 4 adjacent molecules. So, that's coordination number is 4. Hexagonal packing. Hexagonal packing have adjacent have 6, so its coordination number is 6. Hexagonal close packing. In this type close packing, sphere of every second row are seated in the depression between sphere of first row. This depression create more adjacent matter or unit cell around the center molecules. So it's connect to 6 adjacent matter or substance. So its coordination number is 6. So dear student, when we study the packing of two dimensional, so we are going to study the packing in a plane manner. In a plane manner, the center molecules covered 4 or 6 surrounding molecules. If it concurred with 4 adjacent molecules, that is called a square, and if covered with 6, that is called as hexagonal. So dear student, at square close packing, the coordination number is 4, means center molecules have cover 4 central axis. But in hexagonal close packing, center material have cover or contain 6 axes. Hexagonal close packing is more dense than square close packing. In square close packing, only 52.4% space is occupied by sphere, while hexagonal close packing have cover 60.4% is occupied by sphere. So dear student, two-dimensional close packing have two types. Square close packing, their coordination number is 4 and its cover minimum density means 52.4%. In behalf of hexagonal close packing, its coordination number is 6. Its cover more space just like 60.4% space in occupied by sphere. After that, two-dimensional close packing, we are going to study three-dimensional close packing. So dear student, all crystals are three-dimensional. Do you know all the crystals are three-dimensional? The three-dimensional close packing layer are formed by keeping the sphere upon the depression of two-dimensional close packing. मीन्स ये हुआ ये कि जब हम टू डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग की स्टडी करते हैं और जब उसके स्फीयर में डिप्रेशन काज होता है तब वो टू डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग थ्री डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग में मॉडिफाई या ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाती है. सिंस टू डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग आर टू टाइप. फर्स्ट, थ्री डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग फ्रॉम टू डायमेंशनल स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग. नेक्स्ट, थ्री डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग फ्रॉम टू डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल पैकिंग. When three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional square close packing, in this three-dimensional packing sphere are placed just over the other. Means packing sphere are placed just over the other. This packing forms a simple cubic lattice. Unit cell of this lattice is called primary cubic cell and it has a coordination number 6. After that, three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. In this type of packing, second layer is formed by placing spheres on the depression of two-dimensional packing. Its first and second layer can be called as primary and secondary, means A and B. Two type of holes are obtained by sphere and second row, tetrahedral and octahedral. Tetrahedral sphere are formed above the sphere of first row, while octahedral holes are formed by the sphere of second row. Now, a sphere of third row can be placed over the second row in two ways. First more time it is hexagonal, second more time it is cube close packing. So first, hexagonal close packing means HCP. It's an important terms for your annual examination. Hexagonal close packing or cubic close packing is the example of three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. So one layer is depressed under the second layer, so two type of holes are created at three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. First hole created by first row, that is octahedral, but second row that is created by second hole, that is the tetrahedral. So hexagonal close packing. When sphere of third layer are placed on the tetrahedral holes of second layer, it becomes similar to first layer. Hence this layer is also a second primary. Fourth layer is similar to secondary layer. Second layer in the way packing is also called primary secondary and so on. This packing gives hexagonal symmetry. This packing has coordination number 12. This packing takes place in magnesium and zinc. So learn that magnesium and zinc are the example of hexagonal close packing SCP and their coordination number is 12. Cubist close packing, when sphere of third layer are placed on the octahedral holes of second layer, a new type of layer is formed. It is neither similar to primary means A nor to secondary means B. It is called tertiary layer means C. In this packing, fourth layer is similar to first. This type of packing is called primary, secondary, tertiary, primary, secondary, tertiary, ABC, ABC, so on. It gives a cubic symmetry. It has coordination number 12. It is found copper, silver. The unit cell of packing is face centered cubic. So, dear student, three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packing are two types. First is hexagonal SCP, second is CCP. Hexagonal close packing have formed double layer first to second and first to second, but at the cubic close packing a new layer means fourth layer are originated. So first, second and third layer are modified to each other and form a cubic close packing in the solid. Dear student, three-dimensional packing, body-centered cubic packing BCC is also found in the solid crystal. In this packing, first layer is similar to two-dimensional square packing. In this packing, sphere is not in contact of each other, but at some distance. Second layer is obtained by placing spheres over the whole of first layer. Third layer is the repetition of first layer. This packing has coordination number 8. The unit cell of this packing is body centered cubic. Packing efficiency, a new term. In whatever may constituent particle are packed, some free particle is left always in a crystal. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space of a crystalline solid occupied by the constituent particle. मीन्स जब पैकिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले सभी कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल एक निश्चित ज्योमेट्री में अरेंज हो जाते हैं, इसके बावजूद थ्री डायमेंशनल स्पेस में बहुत सारे यूनिट सेल या कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल फ्री फॉर्म में पाए जाते हैं। पैकिंग की एफिशिएंसी में यह डिटरमाइन या फिक्स किया जाता है कि पार्टिसिपेटिंग कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल ने कितना स्पेस कवर किया है और कितना लेफ्ट मीन्स ब्लैंक छोड़ रखा है। मीन्स पैकिंग efficiency is the percentage of total space of a crystalline solid occupied by the constituent particles. This is calculated by two methods. First, packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. Packing efficiency is body cubic lattice. So, dear student, how to calculate in this type of unit cell? Means simple cubic lattice. On the corner touch each other along the edges. Hence, the edge length of side of cube is A. Suppose then we take the side of A and radius of each particle R is related as. So, A is equal to 2R. Volume is A cube means 2R cube or 8 by R cube. Volume of one constituent particle 4 by 3 pi R cube. So, we are calculated the values and put on then packing efficiency. Space occupied the constituent particle by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. So, space occupied by constituent particle 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell 3 into 8 to power 3 into 100. So, efficiency is 15.4. And also, packing efficiency in a body centered cubic lattice is also calculated by this manner. Dear student, packing efficiency, on the term of packing efficiency, we'll calculate the packing efficiency of simple cubic lattice and centered cubic lattice with the cubic close packing lattice. Means SC CCl, CCl and CCP means cubic close packing is most efficient packing because it's covers 74% space. Second one is the centered cubic lattice is its cover 68 or 64 to 8% space, and minimum efficient is simple cubic lattice, its cover 52 point so on means 52.4% space covered by the crystal. Next term is void. In the structure of crystal formed from its constituent, some space is also left vacant. This vacant space is formed by the hole of specific geometry. These holes are called voids. Means when we perform the study or observation to arrangement of different unit cell and a definite manner to form a crystal. At the time the formation of crystal, some blank space are vacant inside the crystal due to fixed geometry, definite size unit cell packing. These holes, blank space which are left at the arrangement of unit cell is called voids. These holes are these holes are the middle of constituent particle, thus these are called interstitial void. These voids are two types. Means dear student, when the constituent matter means unit cell are arranged in a definite geometry. Due to definite geometry or arrangement, some blank space developed or found or left inside or center of the crystal. That blank spaces are called voids. These voids are two types: tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. So, dear student, first tetrahedral voids. When a sphere is placed above or below to vacant space formed by the three touching sphere as a tetrahedral void is formed. Hence, all four spheres are at the corner of tetrahedron. Through the void is triangular, but the arrangement of sphere is tetrahedral. Dear student, when we take a sphere, when a sphere is placed means when we take a unit cell, that structure is a tetrahedral which is placed inside the crystal. A triangular voids means vacant space create on that crystal. That voids or blank space is known as the tetrahedral voids. What are the characteristics of tetrahedral voids? Means ratio of radii of void and constituent particle is a constant. The size of both are proportional to each other. Means in a tetrahedral voids, the blank space are created due to arrangement of these tetrahedral structure. So the radii of that tetrahedral structure are unit cell and voids is similar to each other. Each constituent particle make two tetrahedron with three spheres above the three spheres below. Hence, each constituent particle contribute two times tetrahedral void to the unit cell. Means कहा यह जाए कि दो टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड मिलने से दो ट्राइंगल्स वॉइड्स बनते हैं, इसलिए यह टू टाइम टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स एक यूनिट सेल देखने को मिलता है, या एक यूनिट सेल दो टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड फॉर्म करती है. द tetrahedral void means the tetrahedral arrangement of spheres producing it. Means tetrahedral voids are originated due to arrangement of tetrahedral unit cell on the sphere. The coordination number of particle instead in tetrahedral void is 4 because its adjacent constituent particle have also 4, means their coordination number is 4. Contribution of tetrahedral wise in face centered unit cell and in body centered unit cell are 8 and 4 respectively. Octahedral wide in hexagonal two dimensional packing. In hexagonal two dimensional packing, a triangular space is formed by the three touching spheres. Which type of space? Triangular space is formed. Why it is formed? Because its structure arises due to here. Space is formed by the three touching spheres. Which spheres are touching? Three spheres are touching. Which type of space are originated? Triangular space are originated when triangular vacant space of second layer it is just above the triangular vacant space of first layer, then this form three sphere of each layer give rise to octahedral geometry. Means one layer have three, second layer have three, fourth, third layer have three vacant space. So 9 these are mixed together, attached to each other and form octahedral void or octahedral geometry. Have 8 corner, hence it is called an octahedral void. The center of 6 sphere form the corner of octahedral, means 2, 2 and 2. 3, 2, 2 and 2. These two voids of each layers form two hexagonal void and its thus 8 corner, so its void is known as the octahedral voids. Characteristic of octahedral void: ratio of radii of void and constituent particle is constant, hence their size are proportional to each other. Size of void is greater than tetrahedral void. Each constituent particle produces an octahedral void by touching three constituent particles in upper and lower layers. Thus, each constituent particle contributes equal octahedral voids of unit cell. Coordination number of particles present in the octahedral void is 6. Why it's does 6 corner? Contribution of octahedral void to face centered cubic cell and body centered cubic unit cell are 4 and 2 respectively. So dear student, what are the voids? हमने ये जाना when the unit cell or the constituent particle of a solid arranged in a definite geometry and manner. At the arrangement of that unit cells left or form of blank spaces inside the crystal that are known as the voids. That voids are created in two types. First is the tetrahedral void, second is the octahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids are vacant space formed by three touching sphere. Three touching sphere form a tetrahedral voids, but but at octahedral voids dimensional packing, a triangular space is formed by the three touching sphere. First layer, second layer and third layer touch to each other with a square planar and form a octahedral voids that is known as the octahedral voids. So dear student, next term, imperfection in solid. At absolute zero temperature in the crystal of solid, their constituent unit, atom and molecules are arranged regularly. This arrangement corresponds to lowest energy. As the temperature of crystal increase, the crystal constituent start deviating from the regular arrangement. This deviation produces a defect or imperfection in the perfect crystal. These defects or imperfections are called thermodynamic defects because these depend upon the temperature. Dear student, if we have a study at zero temperature of the formation of any crystal, each crystal is the ideal crystal. Their constituents unit are arranged regularly in a minimum temperature. But when B increase temperature slowly, B increase the temperature when the unit of that crystal deviate from regular arrangement. That deviation produce defect or imperfection in a perfect crystal, that is known as the dynamic thermodynamic defect. Because this type of defect or irregularities or imperfection arise due to temperature. Sometimes addition of impurity also produce defects, which is called impurity defect. Due to imperfection in crystals, the properties are not only modified but get enhanced. Many properties like electric conductivity, mechanical strength can be explained on the basis of these imperfections. So, defect in crystal are divided into two parts. First, electronic defect. Second, point defect. Dear student, what is the imperfection in solid? When any solid crystal, ideal crystal, lost his ability, lost his character, these correct losing of character, losing of importance, or losing of properties in a crystal is known as the imperfection. Why these imperfection are arise in solid? Because when we increase the temperature or the temperature are increased of this system, the unit cell of that crystal deviate from his regular arrangement. So this type of deviation produce in defect, and that defect are produced due to temperature. That defect are produced due to addition of impurity. So these are known as the thermodynamic defect or impurity defect. These are two types. First, electronic defect. Second, point defect. First, what is electronic defect? First, why imperfection and defect are arise in the solid? Due to temperature, due to addition of impurities. Pure crystal or ideal crystal deviate his ideality and regular arrangement, that is known as the imperfection of solid. First, electronic defect. Electronic defect arise due to irregularity in arrangement of electron in a crystal. Just name electronic defect means defect arise due to electron of the crystal. Electrons get excited from lower energy level to higher energy level at the temperature above absolute zero. Example, silicon conduct electricity at high temperature more than absolute zero due to presence of free electron. Dear student, first type of defect is the electronic defect. This defect arises due to irregularity in arrangement of electron in crystal. When electrons are arranged in irregular manner in the crystal, electron get excited, gain the energy, excited, and go over lower energy to higher energy level at higher temperature. Next, point defect. Dear student, point defect is important for your annual examination. Point defect. Defect produced due to deviation of atom or ion from regular arrangement are called point defect. Means, dear student, when the constituent matter, substance, or unit cell, or atom or ion displace from his original place to another place, that the displacement of constituent particle, atom, ion, or unit cell from his original place, that movement or replacement create due to minimum. So defect produced due to deviation of atom or ion from regular arrangement, that is called point defect. In this defect, atom or ion In this effect, which defect? Pointed effect. Atom or ion deviate from their fixed position to produce defect. This intention of point defect is called lattice defect. Why it is called lattice defect? Because constituent atom or ion deviated from his fixed position, so a new lattice point are originated. Lattice defect are either linear defect or plane defect. So dear student, we are going to study the detailed study of point defect. Dear student, point defect. Point defect may be divided into following parts. First, stoichiometric defect. Second, non-stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometry means the analytic chemistry and at the laboratory means how much amount to be used or how much amount occupy the space. Defect which do not change the stoichiometry of solid are called stoichiometric defect. These are also called intrinsic defect. These are two types. First, vacancy defect. Second, interstitial defect. Stoichiometric defect means material are relocate or material or unit cell or constituent atom or ion replace to one another. At a vacancy defect, when some lattice point do not have constituent particle, this defect is known as vacancy defect. Means a crystal have lattice point but do not have constituent particle. This effect is produced when crystal is heated. When thermal energy are provided to crystal, then electron are goes lower level to higher energy level and constituent material displace one place to another place. That is known is the vacancy defect, because when the crystal unit cell atom or ions displace from one another, so a vacancy or blank space are created. Vacancy defect means lattice point do not have constituent particle due to higher energy or higher heat. This defect decrease the density of the crystal, because the constituent material displaced from crystal inside to outer side. Second is the interstitial defect. When some extra constituent particle occupy the interstitial site in the crystal, interstitial site means between the lattice points. So interstitial defect, when some extra constituent particles occupy the interstitial site in crystal, this defect is called interstitial defect. This defect arises by applying high pressure on the crystal. This defect increases the density of the crystal. Means you have studied point defect in the manner of stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect means point defect are two type. First is vacancy defect. Second is the interstitial defect. Vacancy defect means unit or the constituent particle displaced from one place to another place. So density is decreased. It is due to temperature. But interstitial defect, the constituent particle occupy the interstitial side, so density are increased. It is due to high pressure. So we can say that vacancy defect arise due to removal of unit cells, or unit cells are without constituent particle due to high temperature. But interstitial defect is arise due to high pressure, because extra constituent particle occupy the space of interstitial side. So in this defect increase the density of a crystal. Stoichiometric defect in ionic crystal are two types. First, Schottky defect. Second is Frankel defect. Dear student, Schottky defect and Frankel defect is so important for your annual examination. So learn what is the Schottky defect, what is the Frankel defect, and what is the difference between Frankel and Schottky defect. Dear student, Schottky defect. In ionic solid, these defects are produced when some positive and equal number of negative ions get missed from their lattice point and make holes at these places. The number of holes left by positive and negative ions are equal. It is possible only when crystal is A and B type, means it have various type of ions. Some are positive charge and some are negative charge. Means what is happen at the Schottky defect? Particularly in the Schottky defect, at the ionic crystal, in ionic crystal, when the ionic crystal is a AB type means that crystal have positive and negative charge particle which are displaced from one place to another place. So a vacant site is formed inside the crystal, that is known as the Schottky defect. Schottky defect, in this type defect, some crystal or compounds or whose ions have higher coordination number and both are positive or both are negative, have approximately equal size, just like sodium chloride, cesium chloride, potassium chloride, or potassium bromide or silver bromide. At a normal temperature, one lattice point of NaCl shows this defect out of 10 to power 15 lattice point. When we increase the temperature at the 775 Kelvin, one defect is present 10 to power 6. So it means that number of Schottky defect increase with the increasing temperature. The presence of large number of Schottky defect decrease the density of a crystal. So dear student, what is the Schottky defect? ऐसे आयनिक सॉलिड जो ए या बी टाइप के, ए बी टाइप के मीन्स डिफर पॉजिटिव निगेटिव चार्ज आयन से मिलकर बने होते हैं, जब हम उनका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ करते हैं, उन्हें हम हीटेड करते हैं, तो हीट होने के कारण वह क्रिस्टल के अंदर वह पेयर उस क्रिस्टल से निकलकर बाहर हो जाता है, डिस्प्लेस हो जाता है, जिससे वहाँ पर होल क्रिएट होते हैं. जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज किया जाता है, वह पेयर ऑफ unit constituent displace from your crystal lattice and form the holes. So due to heat or due to temperature, the pair of unit cell atoms are displaced from the crystal. So in this defect, increase with the temperature, the presence of large number of Schottky defect, what happen? Decrease the density of crystal. So dear student, at the Schottky defect, pair of unit cell means pair of ions removed from the crystal, so density decrease. This type of defect is arise due to higher temperature. So factor favoring Schottky defect. First, higher coordination number. When the coordination number is higher, so pair are more, lattice point are more, so this defect is maybe arrived. Approximately equal size of negative and positive ions. Second is important terms. When the negative and positive charge ion are their size are same, so they are relocate easily because their energy level is same. Crystal of AB type means both are AB type, means both are conjugated to each other. AB type means conjugated to each other. Next one, consequence of Schottky defect. Density of crystal decrease. First answer, why density of crystal decrease due to Schottky defect? Because the pair of ions removed from the crystal. Lattice energy of crystal decrease. Third, stability of crystal decrease. Crystal become conductor of electricity. Next one, Frankel defect. This defect, an ion leaves its fixed place or position and occupy an interstitial space. Dear student, when any ions displaced from his place but not removed from the crystal, its displaced ion or atom reach at the interstitial space of the crystal. That defect of Frankel defect means at this defect ions are displaced from his place, not removed from his place. It's displaced and come out or came out between two or more constituent units, means it's relocate at the interstitial space, so it is known as the Frankel defect. In this effect, it creates a vacancy at lattice point. There is no change in number of ions. Why no change of number of ions? Because ion move from one place to another place, not remove from crystal to outside. This defect is shown by the crystal having lower coordination number. In these crystal, size of cation is smaller than anion. This effect is found zinc sulfate, sodium chloride, silver chloride, silver bromide या silver iodide. So dear student, हमने ये जाना फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट में आयन अपनी प्लेस को रिलोकेट करता है और इंटरस्टियल स्पेस में पहुंचता है. आंसर फर्स्ट. When its ion relocate, it's create a vacancy at a lattice point. इसके relocate होने से lattice point पर vacancy create होती है. There is no change in number of ions. इस तरह के डिफेक्ट में आयंस के नंबर में कोई चेंज नहीं होता. Because why not change in number of ions? Because ions are relocate inside the crystal. It's leave its lattice point, not leave the crystal. So no change in the number of ions. दिस डिफेक्ट इज शोन बाय द क्रिस्टल हैविंग लोअर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. यह उनमें देखने को मिलता है जिनका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर लोअर होता है. एंड द साइज ऑफ कैटायन एंड एनायंस आर डिफर फ्रॉम टू ईच अदर. मे बी कैटायन इज स्मॉलर देन एनायन, सो दिस इफेक्ट आर अराइज ड्यू टू फैक्टर फेवरिंग फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट, लो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. फैक्टर इट small cation, large anion, large difference in the size of cation and anions. And last one, crystal may be A and B types, means conjugated crystal. Consequences of Frankel defect: crystal becomes conductor of electricity, stability of crystal decrease, dielectric constant decrease. So dear student, we have learnt stoichiometric defect, first vacancy defect, and second interstitial defect. At the interstitial defect, we have learned two defect. First is Schottky defect, second Frankel defect. At Schottky defect, ion disappear from lattice point in the Schottky defect. But Frankel defect, ions leave the lattice point and occupy interstitial space. In Schottky defect, dielectric constant is unaffected because positive and negative both charge ion removed from the crystal. Dielectric constant increase at the Frankel defect because positive or negative one separate ion relocate its position. Density of crystal decrease in the Schottky defect. Why decrease? Because the pair of positive and negative charge ion release, remove, delete from crystal. Density of crystal remain constant in Frankel defect because no atom, no ions or no constituent units are removed from the crystal. It's only relocate inside the crystal. It is found in crystal of higher coordination number. Which type? Second, Schottky defect. Such Schottky defect is shown by that type of crystal. They have high coordination number, and in crystal cation and anion have approximately equal size. Means Schottky defect are arise in which type of crystal they have higher coordination number and the size of anion and cation are is equal. So that type of crystal show the Schottky defect. But Frankel defect is found in crystal of low coordination number, means Frankel defect are shown by low coordination number of crystals, and at that crystal cation is smaller than anion. Mention this point In Frankel defect, cation and anions are both not similar to each other. Cation is smaller than anion, but in Schottky defect, cation and anions are equally similar to each other. So, dear students, today's topic important question: Frankel defect, Boyd's, Schottky defect, difference between Frankel and and Schottky defect, packing of solid, two-dimensional and three-dimensional packing, and various SCP, CCP and BCP CP type of packing. After that, in next video we are going to study non-stoichiometric defect. So dear student, at today's video we have learned unit cell, two-dimensional and three-dimensional unit cell. Important term packing means we have arranged the arrangement of constituent in a crystal lattice, that is known as the packing. In the terms of packing, two-dimensional close packing and three-dimensional close packing. In hexagonal and square we have learned. Coordination number we have also learned, means what is the coordination number? The number of constituent in a contact of one constituent. Three-dimensional close packing, simple cubic close packing, hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing are studied by us. We have also learned packing efficiency, means we have learned percentage of total space occupy atom in a unit cell, that is known as the packing efficiency. Maximum packing efficiency found in the cubic close packing, minimum simple cubic lattice. Then we have learned voids or vacancies, means irregularities, imperfection or defect of solid. We have learned Schottky and Frankel defect with their differences. Thank you. Have a nice day.